Hi, I'm James Alvarez, but you can call me Tony. No one's ever really called me James. I don't go by that. My middle name is Anthony, so I've been Tony all my life. Some of the things I enjoy doing are anything athletic. I love working out. I'm a gym rat. I love coaching youth basketball, and I love the Orlando Magic. Unfortunately, I know things have been rough for the past few years. I'm a beach guy. I love the ocean. Anything that has to do with water, and any time I can spend with my wife and kids is a good time, and I really enjoy that. So some of the things I've done in my life. I was a signed recording artist for some time, and I performed in front of thousands of people. I have four awesome kids and an amazing wife. I became a vice president of a major corporation, and I'm still a vice president of technology in that corporation today. Unfortunately and fortunately, I survived a massive widowmaker heart attack. They lost me for a little bit, but they brought me back, and here I am today. So I hope to learn to stay committed as a student, to really manage my time and not procrastinate, to navigate college life the right way, and ultimately to enjoy the experience to the fullest. These are things I just want to really enjoy about my college life and really make it through this time. Now, when it comes to online learning, it just makes me nervous because I want to have that valuable personal connection. I value that, and I hope to make that connection online with my professor and my peers alike. Thank you.